Thank you so much for joining this lesson. We're going to discuss polygons and angles. Number 4, we told that the interior angle of a regular polygon with 3x sides exceeds the interior angle of another regular polygon having x sides by 40 degrees. Determine the value of x. Remember to subscribe to this channel and to also share the link with friends. Allow me analyze this question bit by bit so that you may get the concept being evaluated. Okay, because we have two polygons here which are regular, one has 3x sides, the other one has x sides. We can talk about the first polygon. Remember the one with the 3x. Remember there is what we call the sum of interior angles, which is usually given by 180 into n minus 2. This is the general formula. This is to mean that for this polygon now, the sum of interior angles will be 180 into n. The value of n, instead of writing n now, the value of n is 3x, then minus 2. Because in this formula, n is the number of sides, and the number of sides is 3x. Now, after getting the sum of interior angles, we should know size of each interior angle. Size of each interior angle, and the size of each interior angle is going to be the sum divided by the number. They are 3x angles. Therefore, we can simplify this to 180. Okay, 180 over 3. This will be 60. Yeah. Into 3x minus 2 out of x. So this is the size of each interior angle. Let's go to the second polygon, because we have already written the formula for sum of interior angles, and we have also written, we know the size or the number of sides here for the second one. Then we're going to have 180 into the value of n is x, because we are told it has x number of sides, n of minus 2, so that we may talk of the size of each interior angle. So the size of each interior angle now is going to be 180 into x minus 2. This is now the sum of all the angles divided by the number of angles. They are x in this case. Therefore, the size of an interior angle for the first polygon is 60 into 3x minus 2 over x, and for the second polygon is 180 into x minus 2 out of x. So at this point now we can go back to our instructions. We've been told that the interior angle of this first polygon exceeds the interior angle of another regular polygon by 40 degrees. So when we take 60 into 3x minus 2 out of x, 3x for this case, minus 180 into x minus 2 over x, this should give us 40 degrees. The size of this unknown angle minus the other unknown angle should lead us to 40 degrees. So now we can proceed with the evaluation. Allow me, I think this 3 is already cancelled, sorry. 3 is in the second, yeah, like that. I think we are not handling. Sorry, I think 3 is already cancelled in this case. So we have 60 into 3x minus 2 divided by x, then minus 180 into x minus 2 over x. Yes, like that. So we can work with the LCM. Allow me to apply the LCM method, in which case we're going to talk about the LCM being x. So that I divide LCM by the denominator multiplied by the denominator. So x divided by x remains 1. So it will be 1 times 60 into 3x minus 2 minus x divided by x becomes 1. So it will be 1 times the numerator, which is 180 into x minus 2. This is equivalent to 40 is obviously over 1. So x divided by 1 gives us x times 40. We get 40x. So now we can do away with the LCM and continue simplifying. This will be 180x minus 120, then minus 180x, positive 360, equivalent to 40x. So now we can group like terms together, whereby 180 minus 180 cancels. Then we have negative 120 plus 360, giving us 240. This is equivalent to 40x. So the value of x will be when we divide through by 40, and this is going to give us exactly 6. So the value of x is 6. Thank you for following. Subscribe and share.